Goddamn phone. Battery too fat. I plugged it in and I gotta hold it. Get back, dog. You're sniffing my leg. But I wish you could see my face right now. I have the biggest smile. Wow, the Weather Channel put it spot on. Slight to moderate risk. They put it right on the dot. They're smack dab in the middle, and wow. It's not even rain, it's just like mist. Literally, it's just hail and mist. Ow! Hit my knee. Now it's just like pea size. Oh, there's all the hail's melting. Get back, dog. My dog loves ice cubes, so she's trying to grab a few hailstones. Oh, please don't snap that tree. Please don't snap those trees that go in there. Total epicness. Oh my god, get! Dumb dog, get now! This is awesome. If I don't know, if this doesn't deserve a like, I don't know what does. Sorry, I gotta readjust my camera. It is so dark. What? Yeah, it's been over. It's too dark to film anything now. I still got that. I know. It came down like quarter size. No, it was quarter because I picked it up. Oh, damn, that was a big wet splatter, Joe. I know! I always try to cart to going around town after. I'll walk it. Wow. Awesome. You know, look at the radar and see how long this thing's gonna last. I have no idea. You can turn it off and change it. Wow. Whoa. Oh, there's a car that drove right through it. I'm like, what? I wouldn't be surprised if there's trees and power lights down. It's just a mist. There's no right. Really? You're gonna try to make it. Hope a tree falls on you. Fucking hate her. She's a dumb bee. Hey, I didn't swear. It's so dark. There she goes. You can probably see her. There she goes. Wow. There's another car. Tons of leaves in the road. What? I can't hear you. What? What'd you say? What? So it's almost over? Okay. Mom can't even walk out here and tell me. trying to record and make a living. Just kidding. Getting an education. I'm not really about the money. I'm just about the weather. Oh, can't wait to get my car and move out and travel the country. Oh, there's another car coming. I know it. I can sense it. Thanks for sniffing me. Right down there. Why isn't it coming this way? Oh! I can tell the wind's starting to let up a little bit. Wow. Now it's just rain. Oh, is this for a lightning storm? We do need rain though, that's glad. I'm happy we got rain, but not... Fucking, I am happy we got all of this. As long as it didn't destroy any of my property. My windshield in my car. Facepalm moment. But wow. No, this will be another 10-minute video coming in. I just recorded almost an hour and a half of my life. One day. It's so epic. Just the epicness. Surprised the power hasn't gone out anywhere. It's so epic. This is a lightning storm. You're still back behind me, dog. Really? We're getting goosebumps. I'm going to cry again. Is that a puddle of water down there? Yeah, there's a puddle of water down there. You can't see it. Can you see the reflection? Yeah. Get back here. You want to go outside? Yeah, you want to go outside? Good thought. It's been bugging my butt. Wow. I'm recording off the phone. Did this thing zoom in? Nope. Okay. Wow! It's so dark now. It's like night. It's like almost nighttime. I think it's almost 8. Wow. Still recording? Calm down. Okay. So it's almost over? Alright. Well, as soon as this video hits 10 minutes, I'm gonna... What the hell was that? As soon as this video hits 10 minutes, I'm gonna... most likely stop it. Damn. You guys gonna like, favorite, and share this crap. Are we eating hail again? Oh my god, we are. We're getting hail again. Oh! Oh my god. It's so vicious. This thing is just... Bam! So, oh, there goes the car. Let's watch this car go by and hit. Oh my god! I'm gonna stop. Whoa, fuck that.